Azua Mariam. Azua means the name of the village. It is better to stand here. Azua means the name of the village. Mariam means, as you know, Saint Mary. This monastery is established at the 14th century during the period of Hamdat Zion by Abba Yohannes. That one is by Abuna Yohannes. This one is by Abba Yohannes. Abba Yohannes also has come from northern Shua, the place what you called Marabite, 130 kilometers far from Addis Ababa. He has come by the concept of religion to preach Christianity around here because the people they were worshipped by idol. The monk has the founder has coming with 100 monks and they preach the people to convert the religion from non-believers to believers. They pursued them and renewed again at the 17th century during Gondarian period by Adiam Sagadi Yasu. Only the Tajduruf is changed within 5 years. And you can see the top parts of the church consist of 7 ostrich eggs. 7 ostrich egg. It have different meaning. It represents the 7 days of creation, the 7 days of a week, the 7 archangels, the 7 sacraments, and the 7 miracles of Jesus. When Jesus' crucifixion on the cross, we have seen 7 miracles. To represent that. The main reason that to put it ostrich egg on the top. Ostrich, after she delivers the egg, she need a food. However, she need a food, she are not live by neglected her egg. She has represent the male. The male is keeping the egg until she return by concentration. His eye must be on the egg. If his eye saw different side, the egg will be spoiled or contaminated. That means our Lord, he watches by concentration. If the Lord saw different side, word will be declined, the rest all human being will be tempted by devil. And you can see the bell. The bell down there. If the wind is winded, the bell is crash each other and give a sound. The sound is represent the echo of the child when Herodes beheaded them. Have you seen the bell? So furthermore, I will explain you inside. When there is a rule and regulation when we get in the church, we take off our shoes, our cap, no drink water, no small chewing game. If you take a photo without flash. So we can take our shoes there. Excuse me, there is for video, there is extra payment. So you will pay for him after we come back, okay?
Here, family, payments for video shooting.
For video. Video. ሁለቶች ናቸው ያኛው እንጠቀማለው ከፍላለሁ ብሏል። ኦኬ ኦኬ all is history and stuff. More is history. Ah.